you know, if you've been watching my videos, I always wash my meat. It's optional for you. You don't have to wash your meat. I get it prepped and ready for my seasoning and my avocado oil. Now, as far as the seasoning, you use what you like or comment down below, and I will let you know all of the ingredients that I use in my seasoning. Marinate that seasoning in that meat real good. If you can, do this the night before or let it sit for about an hour or two. After I cut up my onions and my peppers, I put it back in the bowl that I mixed the turkey wings in the seasoning so it can get some of that, more of that seasoning. And then I put it in with the turkey wings before I start cooking. So now we're going to get ready for baking. Put your oven on 350. We're going to bake it slow. That's the key, for an hour and a half. That's how long I bake these turkey wings. Comes out juicy and tender. So now I'm getting started with the potatoes. I'm going to let you just watch the video. It's self-explanatory. If you do have any questions, just comment and I will let you know. Okay, so now for the sauce. I'm putting in some sodium-free broth. It's chicken broth. Some barbecue sauce. When you look at me that way, irresistible, but I try. Hypnotic, making you wait, it's so erotic. Perks, and I want you to want me, yeah. I want you to crave me. Honey. Some Grey Poupon Dijon mustard. Now it's time to add the sauce. Make sure you get it all around, marinated all up in there.
Hard to get, tease me, boy, I'm a Mr. Fred. Flirt, work for bread. Ooh, so coy, take it slow to lead. Hurts, seductive when you look at me that way. Irresistible, but I try. Hypnotic, making you wait is so erotic. Perks, and I want you to want me.
So now after you add the sauce, you're going to recover it and you're going to let it bake for 40 more minutes on low. Now the key to it all is when that's finished, then put it in the oven on broil for just 3 minutes. 3 minutes. And it will marinate that sauce all up in those turkey wings.